Have your motorcycle brakes started feeling spongy, weak, or making strange noises? It's not just annoying, it's dangerous. Your brakes are one of the most critical safety components on your bike, and when they're not working properly, every ride becomes a risk. The good news is that most brake issues are straightforward to diagnose and fix. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to solve common brake problems and restore their full functionality. By the end, you'll know exactly how to make your brakes perform like new. Hello everyone, my name is Dennis Storm, and welcome to the RaceX YouTube channel. If you're passionate about motorcycles and want to learn how to maintain and repair your bike like a pro, you're in the right place. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss a video filled with tips, tutorials, and advice. Now let's dive into the most common motorcycle brake problems and how to fix them. The first issue is noisy brakes. If you hear squeaking or grinding sounds when you brake, it's usually a sign that your brake pads are worn out or glazed. Worn pads expose the metal backing, which can grind against your rotors and cause significant damage. Check your brake pads for wear and replace them if they're too thin. If your pads are glazed, lightly sand them with fine grit sandpaper to remove the shiny surface, then clean your rotors to ensure smooth braking. The second issue is spongy brakes. This happens when air gets trapped in your brake lines, reducing the pressure needed to engage the brakes effectively. The solution? Bleed your brakes. Start by locating the bleeder valve on your caliper, attach a clear hose to it, and pump the brake lever while opening and closing the valve to release any trapped air. Use fresh brake fluid to top off the system, and remember to follow your bike's manual for specific instructions. The third issue is weak braking power. If your brakes feel weak even when you pull the lever hard, the problem could be with the brake fluid or the caliper. Over time, brake fluid absorbs moisture, reducing its effectiveness. Drain and replace the brake fluid with a fresh, high-quality fluid that meets your bike's specifications. Inspect your caliper for any stuck pistons or dirt buildup that could prevent it from functioning properly. Clean the caliper thoroughly and ensure the pistons move freely. If these steps sound a bit overwhelming, don't worry, you're not alone. Many riders struggle with brake maintenance because it requires precision and attention to detail, but with the right guidance, anyone can master it. That's why we created the RaceX Motorcycle Mechanics course. This comprehensive course is designed to teach you everything you need to know about maintaining and repairing your bike, including how to diagnose and fix brake problems. You'll learn professional techniques, step-by-step instructions, and insider tips to handle any issue with confidence. If you're ready to take control of your bike's maintenance, click the link in the description below to check out the course. And don't forget to use the code BIKE10 for an exclusive 10% discount. This is your chance to learn the skills that will keep you and your bike safe on every ride. Imagine this: no more noisy brakes, no more spongy feel, and no more worrying about your stopping power. With proper maintenance, you can enjoy smooth, reliable braking every time you ride. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow riders, and subscribe to the RaceX channel for more tips and tutorials. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss a video, and let me know in the comments, what's the most frustrating brake issue you've faced? I'd love to help you out. Thanks for watching, and remember, safe rides start with well-maintained brakes. Keep riding, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video.